Looking to buy the best drones under $50 on the market this year? Today, we'll be taking a look at the top 5 drones under $50 you should buy. And the links to all the drones mentioned in this video will be in the description below. If this is your first time here, smash the subscribe button and ring the bell icon for more videos like this. Now let's get straight to the video. Number 5. Goolsky FQ17W Mini RC Quadcopter Foldable Drone. The Goolsky FQ17W Mini RC Quadcopter Foldable Drone costs $27, but the features do not match the price in any way. It has the altitude hold feature, which makes it possible for you to keep it hanging in the air as you take your time to record videos. It can be connected to your smartphone, and with the 2.4 GHz transmitter, the drone works in an awesome way, delivering fancy flying for you. This drone is so small, you can perfectly carry it around in your pocket or move around as you hold it in your palm. If you're just looking for a drone to satisfy your flying hobby, the Goolsky FQ17W Mini RC Quadcopter Foldable Drone is a perfect pick. This drone is good for people who are at their intermediate level of flying drones. It does take some time to master when you first start flying. It is, however, relatively easy to use, and even with the camera at just 3.0 megapixels, you can still get a good video if you use the altitude hold feature. Great drone for intermediates. Number 4. Holystone HS170G Night Elven Mini RC Quadcopter. This $46 drone is small in size and can perform 3D flips, has a headless mode that gives you enough freedom to fly in any direction, and an emergency stop which enables you to land the drone with just one key. Just like other drones on the list, the quadcopter is easy to fly for beginners, but it is equally good for experts. Once you fix in the batteries into the Holystone HS170G Night Elven Mini RC Quadcopter, the remaining thing to do is just to fly. There's no need for stressful assembling. You will love the high quality of this drone's transmitter. It has a great design and gives you full control with just a few buttons. The only issue is that you will need to set trim anytime you charge the drone, so kids may find it hard to use. Besides the absence of a camera, it is good for everyone and gives great value for $46. Number 3. Metakoo M2 Foldable RC Mini Drone. This $38 drone is an excellent choice for children. It is small and portable, but can still rub shoulders with more expensive quadcopters you'll find in the market today. It is so much fun to fly. Thanks to the 6-axis 4-channel technology, you can make horizontal rotations and vertical flips without having problems. If you need to take precise images or videos, this drone will make it really easy because it can steadily hover at a spot. You don't have to be too careful about the direction your drone is flying to, since it has a headless mode that gives you ample control over it. There is also a one return key, which can bring it back to your location. For a drone that is so small, it has amazing features and the flying speed is fantastic. The defects are really tolerable, so if you have kids, get them this drone as a gift. It's mainly for children. Number 2. JayJay RC H36 Mini Drone. Costing less than $30, the JayJay RC H36 Mini Drone is one of the cheapest flying machines you can find in the market today. If you are just starting to familiarize yourself with drones, this is a good option to start with since it is not hard to operate, thanks to the high and low speed options. The JayJay RC H36 Mini Drone is small and made chiefly for indoor operations. That is why a lot of people recommend it for children to play with it around the house. Despite being small, JayJay RC H36 Mini Drone still has great features. It has high tolerance for crashes, and you will love the way it flies with stability and a high yaw rate. The transmitter uses two 1.5-volt AA batteries you have to buy separately. This small quadcopter is designed to make 3D flips, and you can control it steadily even if you are 30 meters away from the JayJay RC H36 Mini Drone. What you will really appreciate in this drone is a one-key return feature, which allows you to have the gadget back to you in case it gets lost during flight. One can't help but admit this drone, even though it has imperfections, like no camera, can withstand accidents that will damage most expensive ones. For its price, I'd say the lack of camera is not surprising. If you just need a drone to practice with, then the camera isn't so important. Same goes for kids. It is a good choice of drone for children. And number 1, Cheerwing Simha X5SW Drone. As you already expect, this drone is beginner friendly and very affordable. It costs only $39. It is so easy to use and has good features that make it a classy foundation for those just starting to fly a drone. With a flying distance of 50 meters, you have enough freedom to fly the Cheerwing Simha X5SW drone to reasonable distances without crashing or getting stuck at a high place. The makers of this machine have allowed room for connecting the drone with mobile applications, which enhances the user friendliness. It is suitable for both indoor and outdoor flying. It has a 0.3 megapixel camera that gives a very good real-time picture to you as you fly it around. If you want to fully enjoy the 7 minutes flying time, don't attach a fan guard. The swift control response and unlimited maneuvering potential is a huge plus to this drone, but the unexplained crashing and poor video quality are important defects. However, there is so much you can do with this drone if you don't mind the defects, since the overall performance is okay. Thanks for watching. Till next time.